Hello guys, in this video I am going to show you how to select the layout of portrait, landscape and webinar videos on the Webex Meet application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel, because at 10,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. So let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. Then you should tap on the settings icon in the upper left corner of the screen. Click on audio and video. Scroll down to the bottom of the page where you can see the three categories. Portrait, video, layout. You have two options that you can choose from, indicated by these two images. If you go down further, then you're going to see that in the landscape video layout you have three options that you can choose from, so select the relevant one that you prefer. And in the webinar video layout section you have the focus and grid view options. So that's pretty much it for this video, guys. I hope you found it helpful. If you did, consider subscribing and see you in the next video. Bye bye.